Come on. Come on. Look. Come on, Nina.
Wow, so big.
You want to touch him?
Just the back of his shell.
Just the back of his shell. Oh, that's so cool. Now this is my favorite right here. Look at the skink. Come and touch the skink.
He almost feels
You have to
plastic.
wipe down. Oh, look. Good job, nature.
Right there. There you go.
Yes. Y'all did awesome. Look. It's the python, your favorite. Look, come on. Good job, Nay.
Good job. That's exactly how you touch him.
Yes. He's friendly, see?
Yeah.
Thank you.
As long as you're not a rat, you're okay.
He's a little squishy.
He's a
Well,
little
because he
squishy.
doesn't have a lot of protection like you and I have. His bones don't protect his belly.
He looks